Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from module 4 which is based on dearrangement. So the question is determine the number of integers between 1 and 250 that are divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5 and 7. So now let's solve this question. It means we have to find the number of integers between 1 and 250 that are divisible by 3 but not divisible by 5 or 7. So which concept we are using here? We are using the inclusion and exclusion principle. So the principle which are using here, which is inclusion and exclusion principle. So what are the things which is given here? Means integer between 1 to 250. First one is divisible by 3. Second one is not divisible by 5, and third one is not divisible by 7. So first we are finding the number of integers which is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. It means number of integer which is 250 divided by 3. So when you solve, you will get around 83. So 83, this is the integer which is divisible by 3 between 1 and 250. We can say that 83 numbers which is divisible by 3. Now move to our second part, which is here we are solving this question with the help of inclusion and exclusion principle. So in the second step, we have to find the number divisible by 3 and 5. Number divisible by 3 and 5. So how can we find the number which is divisible by 3 and 5? So for that we have to take the LCM of 3 and 5. So LCM of 3, 5, which is nothing but 15. So 250 divided by 15, when you solve you will get 16. So these are the numbers which is divisible by 3 and 5 between 1 to 250. Now in third step we have to find the numbers which is divisible by 3 and 7. Here we are making the combination to get the numbers which is divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5 or 7. So next step is numbers which is divisible by 3 and 7. So again we are taking the LCM of 3, 7, which is equals to 21. So now 250 divided by 21. So when you solve, you will get 11. So this is the number which is divisible by 3 and 7 between 1 to 250. Now in next step, we have to calculate the numbers which is divisible by 3, 5 and 7. So our next step is numbers which are divisible by 3, 5 and 7. So again we are taking the LCM 3, 5, 7, which is equals to 105. So now this is here 250 divided by 105. So when you solve you will get around 2. So now apply our inclusion exclusion principle. It means we want the number which is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 5. So it means 83 minus 16 minus 11 plus 2. So when you solve you will get 58. Here why I am adding 2 here? Because the total number which is divisible by 3, which is 83, and then we subtract the number which is divisible by 3 and 5 and the number which is divisible by 3 and 7. This is the number which is divisible by 3 comma 5 and this is the number which is divisible by 3 comma 7. So now we are subtracting from the total which is 83, and why I am adding here 2? Because some numbers are divisible by 3, 5 and 7. These numbers are inclusive, means 16 and 11. That's why we are subtracting. We have to subtract this 2 times. That's why I am adding 2 here, which comes 58. So like that you have to solve in the examination with the help of inclusion-exclusion principle. If you want these handwritten notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.